Welcome to GigaBits. You've probably run into this annoying problem at least once. The Nike SNKRS app simply won't let you log in. Maybe it keeps loading forever, maybe it throws an error message, or maybe it logs you out right before a big sneaker drop. And with everyone fighting to get limited releases, being locked out is the fastest way to miss the pair you want. So what's really going on? Is the SNKRS login system just broken? Or is there an actual fix? Today we're breaking everything down so you can get back into your account quickly and easily. To understand why the SNKRS app blocks login attempts, I tested the app across multiple devices: Android, iPhone, and browser versions. I checked common user complaints, error patterns, cache data behavior, account lock causes, and server-side issues during high-demand drops. By comparing my results with widespread user experiences, here is the clearest and most accurate breakdown of what's causing the login problem and how to fix it. Nike claims that SNKRS provides a smooth, secure login experience, seamless access to releases and draws, reliable authentication across devices, fast verification and account syncing, stable performance during high-traffic drops. But as many users know, these claims don't always match reality, especially during major launches. Step 1. Server overload during drops. The biggest reason the SNKRS login fails is simple: massive traffic. When hundreds of thousands of users try to access the app at the same time, servers overload. This causes failed logins, endless loading, random logouts, verification loops. This issue is especially common during special releases. Step 2. Cache and app corruption. On many devices, the SNKRS app builds up corrupted cache data over time. This leads to incorrect login tokens, auto-logout issues, login verification not syncing. Clearing the cache or reinstalling solves this for many users. Step 3. Account verification problems. If your email or phone number isn't fully verified, the app may block login attempts. Some users report the app sending verification codes that never arrive or expire instantly. This isn't user error, it's SNKRS's slow verification servers. Step 4. Device sync conflicts. Using SNKRS on multiple devices can trigger security blocks. Nike's system sometimes marks your login as suspicious if the location or device ID changes too quickly, causing temporary lockouts. Step 5. Region restrictions. If the SNKRS region doesn't match your phone's region settings, the login can fail. Some users accidentally activate a region mismatch when traveling or switching networks. Step 6. Fixes that consistently work. The solutions that help the most include clearing SNKRS cache, logging out of all devices, restarting the phone, switching Wi-Fi to mobile data, resetting login through the regular Nike app, reinstalling SNKRS. Turning off VPNs or DNS blockers. These resolve login issues for most users. Step 7. Nike server status issues. Even if everything is correct on your end, sometimes SNKRS is simply down. During peak drops or maintenance windows, the app fails to authenticate users properly. When this happens, the only solution is waiting for Nike to stabilize the servers. So why won't the Nike SNKRS app let you log in? The truth is a combination of server overload, cache issues, verification delays, and security blocks. SNKRS isn't a scam, and it's just unreliable during high traffic. For most people, the app begins working again after clearing data, reinstalling, or switching networks. SNKRS is real, but the login system is fragile. If you're trying to join a major drop, log in before release time, not minutes before, or you risk being stuck on the loading screen forever. If this breakdown helped you fix the SNKRS login problem, hit the like button and subscribe to GigaBits. We bring you weekly guides, tech fixes, and honest breakdowns so you always know what's real and what's just broken.